Hey everyone, welcome back to Future AI Tools. Today, we have something truly game-changing. ChatGPT-5 is finally here, and it's taking AI to the next level. If you thought ChatGPT-4 was impressive, wait until you see what GPT-5 can do. From human-like conversations to real-time learning and even emotions, this AI is the closest thing to AGI, artificial general intelligence, we've ever seen. Stay with me till the end as I break down the insane new features, how it compares to previous versions, and why this might be the most powerful AI yet. Let's dive in. So, what makes ChatGPT-5 so special? Let's check out the biggest upgrades. Ultra-realistic conversations. ChatGPT-5 can now remember past interactions and build deep, contextual conversations that feel almost human. Real-time learning. Unlike previous versions, this AI adapts to new information instantly and learns as it chats. Voice and video capabilities. You can now talk to ChatGPT-5 like a real assistant, and it even understands video content. Emotional intelligence. Yes, AI now understands emotions and can respond in a way that feels more natural and empathetic. Supercharged speed and accuracy. 10x faster response times and more accurate than ever before. Alright, let's test out ChatGPT-5 and see it in action. Go to OpenAI's official website and sign in. Choose ChatGPT-5 from the model options. Start chatting. Whether you need coding help, business advice, or just a casual conversation, GPT-5 is here. Try voice mode. Speak directly, and the AI will respond in real time. Bonus tip, use it for content creation, video scripts, coding, and even AI-powered research. It's a game changer for productivity. Now, let's compare ChatGPT-5 to the previous version. GPT-5 is 5x more powerful than GPT-4. It understands voice and video, unlike GPT-4. Faster responses and real-time updates. Emotion recognition for more natural conversations. If you loved GPT-4, this is a whole new level. And that's it. ChatGPT-5 is the most advanced AI yet, and it's only going to get better from here. Want to try it? Head to OpenAI and test out ChatGPT-5 for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing AI tools and tech updates. Which AI tool should I cover next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video. Rock it!